I want to give a quick lesson in life based on barbecuing. I'm outside right now actually cooking some steaks. I'm going to show you that. Some um, good old steaks and some steak and potatoes right here. There's my potatoes, there's my steaks right there. They're cooking. But one of the lessons that I learned a long time ago is that if you forget about your steaks and you go and you do other things, so I'm trying to cook in multiple stations right now. I'm trying to cook on the oven or on the stove as well on the barbecue. But if you leave your steaks and you go and do those other things, oftentimes your steak will end up in a big ball of fire and it will be a complete mess. So this is a really important lesson, I think, in life with doing multiple things at once. So if you don't know me, I'm an associate professor of innovation strategy and entrepreneurship, and I created this whole reciprocity project to give back as much as I possibly can. There's so many people that help me out that I want to pay the favor forward to help you out. So, steaks, just cooking steaks, just like in life, are real tricky. If you get that wrong, and I almost always get them wrong, I'm not the best steak cooker in any sort of way, steak chef in any sort of way. But what I have learned is that you do have to baby them. And it's just like anything else in life. If you are doing multiple things at once, it's very likely that you're going to run into problems. So the best thing that you can possibly do, and this is a rule that's actually been talked about in the management literature, at least in strategy, is where you do kind of a switching of attention rule or a fire alarm rule, where you focus on one thing, then you focus on the other thing, and you do that as things are getting cooked and developed until you address that particular issue, and then you go on to the next thing. So this is a good lesson to go forward, is really focus on the one thing and then go on to the other thing. It's just really incredibly difficult to do any sort of multitasking, do multiple things at once, even though we would love to do this. I would love to do this, especially when I'm cooking steaks and cooking dinner. All right, so that's all I wanted to say is multitasking is difficult, but if you can focus a little bit of time on one thing and then go to the other thing, sometimes you can deal with the multitasking. All right, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.